How to import Aliexpress products to Shopify. Now, if you want to sell your Aliexpress products to Shopify and Aliexpress both, and in order to do that, you will have to import your products to Shopify from Aliexpress. And to do that, there are no inbuilt tools in your Shopify or Aliexpress, any of those platforms, so that you have to use third-party software and platforms to import your Aliexpress product to Shopify. And one of those platforms is AutoDS, which is one of the very easiest one. Now just simply open autods.com in your browser, and once you open that, you are gonna see this page. You need to tap to get started and create an account in AutoDS at very first. And once you create an account, you will see this page. From here, you need to select the option of Shopify, which will be in the very top. Tap to Shopify, and then you need to select a package to purchase. In order to perform this action, just simply select the package that you want, and after that you will directly get an option to connect with Aliexpress. And once you do that, you can very easily import product from Aliexpress to Shopify. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.